Hey friends, want to show you another use case for using an Interact quiz. And you could use an Interact quiz as basically as a link tree. So the link that you're putting into your bio opens, and then you have all sorts of things that people can click on that route them to your services, website, blog, podcast episodes, affiliate links, things like that. So if you want to try this out, if you're already using the Interact software and you want some analytics on which links are people clicking on in your bio, click on Create New Quiz, hit Start from Scratch, choose the personality quiz here. And then what we're actually going to do is just jump straight to the questions. We're going to turn the cover off. We're going to turn this quiz cover off so no one will ever see that. We don't have to make any changes to it. And then this is what would appear. So if you don't want anything at the top of your bio when somebody opens this page, then don't type anything in here. But maybe you want to say something like, check out my these resources, maybe, right? I can't spell. Resources. There we go. So then you can, of course, add an image if you want, or use image answers if you want to make the page prettier or something. I'm just going to keep this simple and keep it as text answers. And let's say take the quiz, right? That would be the first thing to add to your bio, maybe. If you are saying take the quiz, maybe also put the title of your quiz. So make sure it matches however you're promoting the quiz so that if somebody does get here, they'll know which link to click on super easily so that they do end up taking your quiz and subscribing. But maybe there's other things in here that you want to link to, like a blog post or an affiliate link for a product, or maybe it's a one-on-one consult, right? So again, you can use image answers and put images into these places, or you can keep it simple like this. All I'm going to do now is go to the results section, and I'm going to make one result for each of those pages, or rather each of these options that I'm sending people to. So we're going to go back here and make one for blogs. And this doesn't, again, no one's going to see these pages either. So these can be super simple. I'm just going to put affiliate link here. You just need to know which page is routing to where so that you can send people to the right place. So the last one was a one-on-one consult. Cool. So I have the results. I have the questions, or rather the links that I want people to click on. I'm going to go ahead and click on Edit Result Correlations, and I'm just going to connect these dots. So if someone is choosing they want to take the quiz, it's going to route them to the quiz. If they want to see blogs, they're going to go to the blogs. If they want this affiliate link product, they're going to go buy that product. And if they want to book the one-on-one consult, they will be able to do that. Hit save. Now I'm going to go back to results and turn on redirect results. And I should have grabbed some links. Let me just go to, I'm going to use Interact's website link just for the purposes of this demo. But what you'll do is click on redirect all and then drop the links that you're wanting to send people to in here. So just as an example, I'm dropping the Interact website in here, but you would drop your quiz link right in here. You would drop the link to your blogs right in here. You would drop the link to your product page right in here, your affiliate link maybe right in here. And then again, the same thing, the link to the one-on-one consult. So just for the purposes of this, I'm only using the Interact website, but it would actually route to the right space that you're wanting to send somebody to. So I'm going to click save. You can see all of these results are redirecting. I'm going to click publish and then publish changes. And I guess just one other thing to add, if you did want to change up the colors or the fonts, or again, adding images in there, you could play with all of that in the tool, so that your link tree is really on brand, or your link tree, the list of your links there. So then you're actually going to click on embed code here and then scroll down to disable the cover page on quiz. This will turn your quiz cover off because remember, we didn't make anything. We don't want anyone to see that. And then right here within this iframe code box, you're going to highlight all the way through this Q/1 option, copy that, and then this will be the link that you are dropping into your bio. So you can see when I share that link, or when someone clicks on it from your page, they're going to see the list of resources that you want to send them. So then if they click on, okay, I want to take the quiz, it's going to open up your quiz. Now remember, I use the Interact website page to redirect everything too. So that's why we're seeing this here. But whatever option they choose, it's going to send them to the link that you're wanting them to see. And that is how you can use an Interact quiz to as a link in your bio. And I guess let me show you the analytics on this. When you log in, you can click on analytics, possibly rename your quiz to Linktree or bio or something like that, just so that you know what this is for and you don't accidentally delete it. But if you click on analytics, you can see, because I just chose that option, how many people have clicked these different links in your bio. And then over here, which links did they click on? Are they more interested in your quiz, in blogs, in your affiliate link, in a one-on-one consult? And you can use this to learn more about your audience, what it is that they need, and give them more of that.